Welcome back everybody. Here in this class I'm just teaching you some more things in PHP. So let's just open the Notepad++. Actually I'm just going to teach you some more functions in PHP. So let's just type echo. And now which function I'm just teaching you? Actually I'm just teaching you the current function. Okay, the current is the name of the function, and what it can do actually. Here I'm just teaching you by typing the current function. You can see that it just turns into blue. That means it is the reserved word and obviously the function. So now what I'm just doing, I'm just again calling the days array. Okay, where is the days array? There is a days array, and I'm just calling that array there. So now we don't need to type print r because I'm just using the current function. We don't need all the complete data of the array. I just need simply the first element of the array. Okay, so I'm just typing days. Okay, actually the current function returns the first element of any array. Refresh this. Now I'm just getting Monday. You can see it. Now if I just use another BR here, then you will get this more perfect. Just save it and go to the browser and refresh that. Now Monday. You understood that how we did it? I hope you understood. This is really simple to use the current function. There are some more functions, so I'm just teaching you that now here by adding some BRs. Oh, not in this way actually. Here I'm just using another functions here. Now again echo, and here the array push. What this function can do. So now you already knew that we can add some more elements in the array by this way, means just simply type some other text, or in this way that we just collected all the array, and here I'm just typing month 7 by just getting the index of the array, and there I just typed the August, and now I'm just getting August here. This is really simple that we can add another element, another new element in the previous array, but right now we can do this by function. Now for example, I'm just creating another array here. The name of the array I'm just using is, for example, new. Okay, is equals to an array, and here inside this array I'm just typing or I think I'm just typing items. Okay, items. Here I'm just typing watch. Okay, and another is mobile phone, another is Caesar. Okay, I think I just put it wrong spelling by the way, but this isn't the matter. Speaker, anything I'm just watching around my room, in my room, so I'm just typing that. Laptop. Okay, I just mentioned some products here. Now I'm just calling the array push, and here by the array push I can increment some products now in the items. And now what to do here, I am just putting another single quotes or double quotes, and here I'm just typing glass. Okay, and the bottle. Okay, spelling of bottle is, this is perfect. Now add another comma, and I'm just typing device or mouse. Okay, no problem, this is mouse. Now just simply type print r, and here I'm just typing items. Now save it, go to the browser and refresh that. Now warning, array push by the way. So now let's just go here, and the error is actually, it is just telling that array push expects parameter 1 to be array. Okay, null given. The meaning is that I didn't mention the array. Okay, the array is items, and I just put it items. So press an S and save it and go to the browser to refresh. Now this is perfect. 0 is watch, 1 is mobile, 2 is Caesar, 3 is speaker, 4 is laptop, and 5 is glass, bottle, and mouse. So these 3 I just added from the new line, the array push. Okay, glass, bottle, and mouse. And actually they just got the index as well. So I hope you understood how to add some more items in the array with some really simple methods. Here I'm just teaching you some more elements to make the array more interesting. The new function which I just want to use here is the unshift, or actually array underscore unshift. So what I'm just doing here, I'm just echoing the array unshift. This is the new function which I'm just teaching you. Actually, this is not new function, but obviously new for you because you don't know about them. So the thing is that here I just use the echo array unshift, and what it is actually, as you know that by using the array push we can add some elements at the end of the array, but by using the array unshift we can add some new elements at the start of the array. I'm just teaching you right now. Just simply go to here and just first of all just add the items, press a comma, and then put some values which will be added to the first as the first elements of the items. So here what I'm just gonna put here, something like keyboard, anything I can put, no problem, keyboard, comma, and space, and what more I'm just putting, keyboard and box. Everything which I'm just seeing in my room I'm just typing here, box and another comma, and one more product is actually the battery. Okay, I have a battery in my room, big battery like a UPS or something, whatever. So let's just go to the browser and go here. This is the Facebook, which is not actually needed right now, so refresh that. Now I'm getting 11. Something wrong here, and I understood the problem actually. Here I just used the echo, which is not necessary. By using the echo, what we just did there in the previous line, actually you can see that 8. The mean is that actually by using the echo directly I'm just getting the counting. Okay, so this is not necessary, and this is not the thing which I'm just teaching you. For counting, this is more better to use the actual function, which is the count function. I've just teach you somewhere. Yep, here is the function for counting, by the way. So not to echo, just simply go to the next line and type printer, and now just put the items. Okay, and now obviously one thing more, I'm just clearing you that you will get these elements at the last as well, because I just added these elements here and I just didn't roll back it. So just go to the browser and refresh that. Now I'm just getting, let's just see, the first thing is keyboard and box and battery, then watch. Why the watch is on the fourth number, actually the third number, but if I just call 0 as 1, then fourth number, by the way, just because I just added keyboard, box and battery by using the array unshift. So these elements are in the first of items, and then this is the item array, and then after that I'm just getting watch and watch to the laptop, and then I just use the arrow push. So glass, bottle and mouse, you can see here glass, bottle and mouse. So I hope you understood how to use the array unshift and the array push. Really simple. Another function is array shift, and what it can do, actually you can remove the first element from any array by using the array shift. How to do? Simply just type items. Now the first item will be removed. Now if I just type print or, and here inside the printer I'm just using the items, and here I'm just going to the browser by refreshing this, and I'm just getting the problem is that there is something wrong happening here, just because I just didn't do this here, not here, actually here. Let's just go to the browser again, refresh that. Now you can see that the first one is the keyboard and the second one is the box. So here the first one actually is the 0 as index, and the second index is box, which is 1. Okay, so we are just getting box as 0. Okay, but one thing more I just want to clear with that actual item array starts from the watch, but I just added these 3 items as the first element. So it is just starting from keyboard and just removing the first element and just getting the box as first. Okay, in the printer item after this array shift. Okay, so I hope you understood that it is just added some items at the last, it is just added some item at the starts of the items, and this is just removing single item from the start and some more things here in the array functions. So I'm just teaching you, and I'm just adding another BR. One thing more, that make sure that you are practicing, because I just teach you a lot of functions and all of the functions are really easy. I hope you understood, but practice makes better. So array pop, These functions can eliminate the last elements from any array. Again, I'm just using the print or, and again I'm just getting the same items array, but obviously now I just pass this items array from the array pop function items, okay, and put an as well. So I just passed this items array with the array pop. That means I just removed the last of the last element. So the last element is mouse, just because of the array push function. Let's just go to the browser and refresh that, and now I'm just getting from this is just starting from box. Now why the keyword isn't at the first? Just because we already eliminated the first element by using the array shift function. So I'm just getting all the data from the box and add to the bottle. Now there isn't any mouse. One thing more, if I just use this function again, I'm just copying this actually from here, okay, array shift, which removes actually the first element. This is the function array shift. Now it will remove the box as well. Let's just refresh that, and now you can see that the box is 1 here, and now the battery is 1 here, and box has removed. So now if I just use the items again, the box will be removed, but I'm not repeating actually any function, so I'm just deleting that, saving. And now another function is sort, S-O-R-T. You can understand what it can do. If I just paste the items here, and I'm just printing this print R, and here inside this print R I'm just calling the items. Now what will happen, actually it just sort the data into ascending to from ascending to descending. Okay, now go to the browser, or before going to the browser, here I'm just adding this echo after this print R. And why after this print R? Because they can messed up with each other. So let's just refresh that, and now you can see that it is just showing the battery first. As you know that the box has been removed, so because of the save it, refresh that again. Why the box isn't showing? Just because I just removed the function of array shift, but actually that worked already. So here simply you can see the battery first, then the box, then no mobile. Okay, that is why. I was just thinking what happened here. So by the way, box is here obviously, but actually box should be after that battery. Okay, the mean is that the box has B and O, and the battery has B and A. That means the first one is battery, and then box, then no watch, actually the mobile, then bottle. Why the bottle is on third? Okay, just because this is the problem is that this is on capital letter and this is on a small letter. The preference is first the capital letters, then small letters sorting. Now B is again, and then glass, and then laptop, scissor, and then speaker, and then the watch. Okay, this is a sorted data, and this is a simple data without sorting. So I hope you understood how to use the sort element, the sort function. And now one thing more I just want to clear you, if you have some kind of associative data, associative array, then you just want to get them to be sort. So where is the associative data here? We just have to find it. The tasks, okay, I'm just using task multiple times. I'm just teaching you again what is it. Actually simply the tasks. I just assigned an array to this variable. Now this is an array, and here this is a key, this is the data, this is the key, and this is the element or data. This is the key, this is the data or element, what do you want to say. Okay, then I just added the x more, okay, another key and another data. So I'm just using the tasks here, and simply just typing a sort, okay, a sort. And now obviously associative sorting, here I'm just adding the tasks, and here I'm just calling the print R. Okay, and inside the print R, what I'm just doing actually, now if you just want to show the raws, we can do the for each again. Okay, I can use the for each again. There isn't any better to use the for each, so I think instead of using the print R, I should use the for each there. Here I'm just typing for each. I'm just teaching you, actually we can do both ways, but I'm just teaching you how to use the again these things. Someone is messaging me, which is not really necessary now, so it should be, my mobile should be there, by the way. Now here the tasks as task, Okay, task, and here is the key to assign to declare the value and the key, and here I'm just typing this is a key and this is a task. Okay, task. Here I'm just going to the curly braces, and here I'm just typing key, and then concatenation sign. Here I'm just typing, you know what I'm just doing here in this way, and here the task. Okay, this is just a simple string, as you know that. By the way, after that I'm just adding another concatenation sign. I'm just typing br and just getting that data in the browser. Let's just refresh that. Now I'm just getting the for f. Now the thing is that it is just starting from fst and frt and sec. Okay, now it is just sorted with the associative data as well. You can see that first fst, then frt, then sec, then x, and then t. Okay, but actually this is just sorted by these data, but with the associated keys as well. So I hope you understood how to use the a sort. But now, as you can see that the x, it is just showing x first and t after that, just because it is just showing the data through these values. But if you just want to ascend your data through its keys, so go to the notepad again and just type the k sort instead of s sort, and then simply just add the tasks with this again. Here I'm just typing tasks, and not out of the parentheses, here inside the parentheses. I hope you're just understanding what I'm just teaching you. This class is going a little bit bigger but really important class, because I'm just teaching you a lot of functions here. Tasks as key, I'm just using same variables, no problem is that. Okay, we can do that. Now here task, okay, the associative keys as key and the tasks as task. Okay, here I'm just again, the better thing is simply copy the echo, and here I just pasted that, and I'm just copying this and pasting it here for adding a separation between them, and going to the browser and refreshing that. Now you can see that now now not first, actually FRT should be on first and FST should be after the FRT according to the sorting from ascending to descending. And you can see that X is on last, just because T should be on first, then the X. But here we are just sorting the data according to the values, and here we are sorting the data according to the keys. Okay, so I hope you understood all the thing which I'm just teaching you. So we'll learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.